Hey everyone, it is another edition of our Tara's Must Have. What's a Tara's Must Have? It's an item or a collection, in this case, a holiday collection, that I have curated or designed just for you that's pretty, practical, and purposeful, and cuteness overload. So these are our beautiful, iconic characters that many of you have been collecting for years and years. Whether it be Wimbley, whether it be our snowman, our reindeer, our snowman, or of course our gingerbread. Yes, they all have names. You've named them. This is of course Gumdrop. Let's start here. Look how beautiful. Because you have that pattern enclosed in the glass, you can put these pieces in the dishwasher. So you have all of that gorgeous colored glass that creates the beautiful look of our gingerbread. Pink rosy cheeks, beautiful scarf, the cardinal that I do in honor of my father, his adorable Gumdrop buttons. Notice that he's holding a cup of coffee or hot cocoa or a hot toddy, whatever you want, all the way down, all of the sculptural detail. And I'm just gonna take him out really quick to show you that he's a functional platter as well. 16 inches from top to bottom. And because of the way I designed it, it has a great reservoir here. So if you were doing something with sauces or you were doing this was your dessert platter, you don't have to worry. Look how adorable our snowman is. This is Mr. Bojingles. He of course has his top hat with the cardinal in honor of my father, the rosy pink cheeks. He's holding his Christmas tree that he just foraged in the woods for. He's got his mittens on all the way down. Again, beautiful silhouette, so lifelike. I love the detail and everything that you can get with glass. And then of course there is our reindeer. This is Wimbley, modeled after our dog Jackson. I just love everything about him, his cute little hat, his antlers sticking out, the cardinal following him on his journey, and then all the way down to his scarf and everything in between. So these are so adorable. $14.95 at temp-tations.com. That's why this is a must-have. You could pick up all three characters and be at about $45, which means you would qualify for our afterpay, and you could break that into 4 even payments. So if you love these guys, they're going to stack on top of each other. Remember, they do go right in the dishwasher, which is fantastic, and each one is cuter than the next. So I highly recommend, if you love the whimsy of the reindeer, let's go with Wimbley. If of course you're a gingerbread kind of person, so adorable. And then let's not forget, of course, our snowman, but all of the pop, that color saturation that I just love with glass. So whether you've done it as a charcuterie board, look at how beautiful you lay out your cheese board. Maybe you have your snacks, you picked up our Lazy Susan, you picked up our Cardinal ramekins. You can start to see how that whole collection works together. And then also your hot appetizers. Again, I love the fact that you could just zhuzh it with a little greens, and it's absolutely perfect. And then here's what I was talking about, because you can go ahead and put it right in the dishwasher, all of those ooey gooey desserts and snacks that we love so much are gonna be perfect. 16 inches of our iconic glass character, dishwasher safe, and as I said, $14.95, only available at temp-tations.com.